Yeah, man. This is it. You know, right? Roast sweet potato. Right? You can have this with anything you want. Chicken, stew chicken, cabbage, fish, anything you want, you can have it with. Right? But right now, I'm having it with some butter. Right? Yeah, man. Some butter only. Right? Because I don't want to take away the roasted taste of the sweet potato, so I don't want it with any form of meat or gravy or anything. Right? So let's test it out and see what's going on. Yeah, man, nice, nice roasted piece.